Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today is the day. Comprehensive Color Blending 2 begins today. And we're going to start it easy, getting you the paperwork. It's been uploaded into my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description right at the top. It's at 25% off what the cost for the course will be. And it's going to stay that way for a month. So that gives everybody a chance to get it at a really cheap price. So what is this course going to be like? Well, we're going to be doing some photorealism. And for the paperwork in this class, I've given you a lot. It starts out with I'm giving you a black and white version of the picture that we're working on. I'm also giving you, which isn't here, it's in the paperwork, the colored version. You don't have to download it. It's in video form, but the way it's done in video form, I have gone in with and zoomed in for you guys to see the exact spots that you need to color to make your photo look real. I'm going to take you step by step with this. Over here is the color list in Prismacolor, but that's for people who only are working in Prismacolor. We're going to be working in oil pencils, and I'm going to be teaching you over the next 18 weeks. This course is going to be lessons, a lot of lessons. And they're going to be on the PC instead of being in private. So it will be geared towards people who have the paperwork, but I'm very into giving information to everybody. People who don't want the paperwork, you deserve information too. This is YouTube. You come here for information. So I'm not going to hide it behind, a price tag. You get the information. This is the paperwork. This is my personal drawings. Some of these are my personal flowers. I chose flowers for your first time experiences because you could screw up flowers and they'll still come out gorgeous. We're going to work on fine detail. I'm going to teach you how to measure your tonal quality in the picture and how to stretch out that tonal quality. We're going to be taking you from a beginning stage. So this course is really beginner through advanced, because I'm going to be teaching you techniques that are completely different than using just wax pencils. The colored pencils that I'm going to be working with are just a small Prisma set, because you do need some sort of wax or blending pencil. In the description, there's ones for, there's a Prismacolor set in my description box for $12.99. And you get 20 Prismacolors, and that's all you need if you don't have Prismas. We could work around everything. Any colored pencil set that you have that's an oil set, you can work with. I'm going to teach you how to read undertones on any pencil from any set. So in this course paperwork, you're going to be getting the Prismacolor list for the picture, and down here the picture. There are also guideline boxes that I'm going to teach you how to use to really get your picture detailed. The bottom has it very, very lightly so that you don't have to erase, because usually you erase guidelines, so that you don't have to erase. The pencil will go right over these guidelines. You only have to print out 10 pictures, 10 black and whites. That's it. So it's downloadable and printable for everybody this time. I also gave you a larger picture, and this too has the guidelines on it, but it's so faint you can barely see it on the paper. And this is if you want to tackle a bigger version of this. I chose these pictures for different effects. So you have a flower here with translucent petals. We're going to go through that. We've got the pansy. There's a rose in here. This one is crazy. Like, it looks like it would be so easy, and this is actually more advanced, and we'll do that towards the end. Leaves. I'm going to teach you how to do a leaf, because everybody does them backwards. You're putting your lights in the wrong places, and I'm going to go through leaves with you so that your leaves are from now on going to be gorgeous. This is my lemon tree. off my lemon tree. The water lily, 2 types of roses that are coming up. Okay, we have a yellow rose. I think maybe 3 because I did a variegated. This is the variegated rose. It's probably just out of order. The dahlia. Your dahlias are going to be popping off the page. A starflower. And the red rose. Oh, there's more underneath. The red rose. Oh, and I also included just 2, if you've been collecting the cards, 2 for color variations that you can either print or use online. You can look at, I gave you the pencil lists, 2 pages of that. In addition to this, I've also given you the swapping comps. They're in the downloads. When you download this, you'll download that too. 3 files for you to download. If you have problems downloading this, I promise you I will help you download. I know a lot of people have trouble with that. What you have to do is wait a few minutes. Once you wait a few minutes, a little download button will come up. Etsy has to process. Once they process the transaction, then you get your download. It's an automatic thing. Some people start to panic when they pay and they don't know where to download. If you miss it and it flashes off and you don't have it, all you have to do is go into your purchase history. You can download this 50 times. So this is the course. The first lesson is going to be on Friday. It's already up on the computer, and we're going to have a good time with that. And I am going to be taking you back to the basics. We're not going to be jumping into the pictures yet. I have to give you a lot of information about how to do strokes with the oil pencil, how to do the laydowns, how to learn how... I'm going to teach you how to recognize the undertones. I have a really simple way. You're going to flip at how easy it is. How to match colors from a reference photo to your pictures. I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's not that hard. So we're in for a journey together. So I'm really excited about this. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to send me an email, howtoadultcolor@gmail.com. The link is also in the description. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.